Albany has issued a flood warning for the Hudson River at Fort Edward from late tonight until Tuesday afternoon. At 7 p.m. Sunday, the stage was 24.5 feet. Flood stage is 26.0 feet. Moderate flooding is forecast. The river is forecast to reach flood stage by 4 a.m. Monday and forecast to continue to rise to near 27.3 feet around 8 p.m. Monday. The river is forecast to fall below flood stage after 10 a.m. Tuesday. Impact at 27.0 feet. Water floods River Road in Northumberland and reaches camps in Lake Luzerne. It may also result in flooding in Stillwater. The flood warning.